Do you or your children go to Vanier? You may or may not be familiar with Towee Creek. This creek runs near the school property, the fairgrounds, and the curling center, and is home to many different species of salmon and other small fish. Towee Creek is an ephemeral stream, which means it's seasonal and will dry up during the summer, during which the area may look like a ditch, but it's still important land that needs to be cared for properly. A lot of people will throw their trash into these ditches, thinking there's little environmental effect to come from this. Areas like these are wetlands, which fill up when it rains and are crucial for feeding the river with clean water during droughts and supporting many types of wildlife. This creek is tiny, but its importance to our ecosystem is massive. When we talk about protecting the water, you usually think of giant rivers full of schools of salmon, but these smaller areas are valuable too. Everything is connected, and we all have to work together to protect these fragile ecosystems. Whether the salmon are eggs, smolts, fully grown, food on our plates, or rotting on the shorelines, they are a keystone species, crucial for the well-being of our environment. Consider protecting them by going to www.tsolumriver.org and learning about the many ongoing projects to support and volunteer for.
This is, I don't know if you'll be able to see them, but there's the salmon.
Okay, I want to get like a good shot of that.
Yeah. And those are mainly sticklebacks, and I'll show you in the viewers, but we do have a few coho smolts in there. And these are 1 and 2 year old salmon that have been in the fresh water in the river for 1 to 2 years. And they're getting ready to smolt. And that is preparing themselves for salt water.